Hey there, Instagram enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a trending topic, how to run and monetize an Instagram account using the power of AI. Let's get started. Segment 1, Content Creation. Creating captivating content is essential. AI tools can help generate images, videos, and graphics that'll engage your audience. Segment 2, Smart Scheduling. Optimize your posting schedule with AI algorithms. Ensure your posts reach your audience when they're most active. Segment 3, Hashtag Magic. AI can suggest the best hashtags for your posts, increasing their visibility and reach. Segment 4, Audience Engagement. AI-powered chatbots can manage comments and messages, keeping your audience engaged and informed. Segment 5, Monetization Strategies. From sponsored posts to affiliate marketing, AI can help you identify lucrative opportunities for earning from your account. Conclusion. There you have it, a quick guide to running and monetizing your Instagram account with the help of AI. Stay creative, consistent, and don't forget to leverage AI tools to take your Instagram game to the next level.